This neck fan was sent to me as a sample and it became an indispensable part of my Central Florida summer this year. I see people all over the place here in Central Florida in the theme parks with fans, but this one has a really unique feature. In fact, my mom wasn't going to use it because she was like, it's just going to cycle the hot air. This is actually cooling. This cooling plate, I wish you could feel it. It actually has 3 different cool settings that you can change right there with the button. And the fan has different settings, slow, medium, and high. So you wear it right around your neck and that cools the back of your neck. You can hear it, right? It's just it's so great. I wore this on walks all the time. My mother actually bought herself one because she loved this cooling plate so much, and she works in the school systems and she has to be outside a lot. So she has bought this to wear at school when she works. It is rechargeable. I think I charged it like 2 or 3 times this whole summer and I used it a lot. So it held a charge for a really long time. This became such a part of our summer this year. I can't tell you how convenient it was. Check it out for yourself. Love this thing. Wouldn't be without it now.